Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss that what are the reasons for PCs being slow and what are the solution to improve the performance of your PC. So let's get started. Computers slow down for any number of reasons, but most of those boil down to one thing. As you download programs, install extensions, surf the web, create files and fill your hard drive with movies and music, inevitably you'll build up virtual detritus that will impact your PC's performance. So if you've been asking yourself, why is my computer so slow? These are the most common reasons your computer is slowing down, and the simple measures you can take to get it running faster. A slow computer can make even the simplest of jobs feel like a real hassle. Luckily, there are plenty of things you can do to speed up your PC and improve its performance. Here are some of the things that slow down your computer. Running out of RAM, random access memory. Running out of disk drive space, HDD or SSD. Old or fragmented hard drive. Too many background programs. Too many startup programs. Falling behind on Windows or driver updates. Malware or viruses. Special effects and visual features. Here are some quick tips to speed up your PC. Number 1. Restart your computer or PC. If your computer speed is not what it should be, the first thing to try is restarting your computer. Your operating system allocates space in RAM for programs as they run on your computer. Your RAM will eventually fill up, which will slow down your computer as your operating system starts using the swap file instead. The swap file is a file on your disk drive that your operating system uses for data that is currently being used by programs, when your RAM, which is normally used for that purpose, runs out of space. Since hard drives and even the much faster SSDs are slower than RAM, your computer will slow down significantly when it resorts to using the swap file. Simply closing programs that are running on your computer helps, but restarting your computer allows it to be refreshed in a number of other ways as well. It ensures programs won't keep running on the background, scroll down for more about background programs, allows Windows updates to be installed, and can fix a number of bugs that you might be suffering from, such as memory leaks, which cause programs to eat up much more RAM than they should. If you notice applications starting up automatically after you have restarted your computer, your PC performance might be suffering from startup programs. Number 2. Disable startup programs. If your computer has slowed down and the time it takes to boot has gone up, it is likely because there are too many programs running on startup. Lots of programs come with an option to run automatically at boot. This is useful if you're going to use the program whenever you're on your computer, but if there are too many programs that run on startup, it can seriously slow down your boot time as well as reduce your performance when they run in the background. So right-click on the taskbar, and click on Task Manager, click over to the Startup tab, and disable startup applications you don't need. Windows will helpfully tell you which applications slow down your startup process the most. Right-click and disable it. You have to disable all the software that you want. Number 3. Reduce animations. Windows uses quite a few animations, and those animations can make your PC seem a bit slower. For example, Windows can minimize and maximize windows instantly if you disable the associated animations. To disable animations, right-click on My PC, and go to Properties, click Advanced System Settings. Click on Performance Setting. Click on Adjust for Best Performance, under Visual Effects to disable all the animations. And click on OK. Number 4. Find and fix the problem. Windows has a built-in performance troubleshooter that can help you find and fix any problems that might be affecting your PC's speed. To open the troubleshooter, click on the Start button and write Control Panel in the search box. Under Security and Maintenance at the top, Click Troubleshoot Common Computer Problems. Next, under System and Security, click Run Maintenance Tasks. This will help sometimes. Number 5. Reduce the boot menu timeout. When your computer starts up, the boot menu is displayed for a certain amount of time before the operating system loads. This gives you time to do things like start Windows in safe mode. You can save a few seconds off your startup time by changing the boot menu timeout, which is set to 30 seconds by default. You can change it to any number of seconds you want. Right-click on My PC, and go to Properties, click Advanced System Settings. Click on Startup and Recovery Setting. And set the seconds any number you want. Click OK. Number 6. Delete temporary files. As a computer runs programs, temporary files are stored on the hard drive. Deleting these temp files can help improve computer performance. Press Windows key plus R, type %temp% in the run box and hit enter. Temporary folder should open. Press Ctrl plus A to select all and delete all. If any files are in use and cannot be deleted, they can be skipped. Number 7. Remove unwanted programs. Programs that you don't want or need may be taking up hard drive space and slowing down your PC. To remove them, open Control Panel through the Windows search bar and click Uninstall a program under the program's header. Use the window that opens up to uninstall programs that you don't need. Number 8. Scan for malware and viruses. Malware and viruses will slow down your computer if it has been infected. Make sure that you are using an up-to-date antivirus program, and run any scans to find viruses that may be eating up your computer's performance. Number 9. Reinstall Windows. If all else fails, reinstalling Windows is the best option to try before resorting to new hardware. If you have used your computer for a while, chances are that you've built up programs and files that you don't use anymore. And while cleaning them out one by one helps, only by uninstalling then reinstalling Windows can you be sure that you've gotten rid of everything. All your settings and drivers will be reset to default. Remember to back up all your important files before reinstalling Windows, as this process will clear all data from your hard drive. You can use Windows' own backup tool, which you can find by searching Backup in the Start menu, or you can save your files on the cloud services discussed earlier. Number 10. Upgrade your hard drive. If your computer is slow when booting up, opening files or loading games, you will see a great increase in performance by switching from a hard drive to a solid-state drive. Unlike hard drives where the drive spins around to allow data to be read from it, SSDs do not have any moving parts. Instead of storing data on interconnected transistors that work at lightning speed. When hard drives start up, it takes time for the drive to spin to full speed, whereas SSDs work instantly, allowing data to be read much faster and speeding up your PC. If you have a desktop PC, buying and installing an SSD should be easy, and you can find plenty of guides on finding and installing the right SSD online. If you have a laptop, however, changing your disk drive will likely prove hard or impossible. Lots of new laptops do have SSDs, so it's something you can keep in mind for when you decide it's time to upgrade your laptop. That's all from today. I hope you like my video. If you like, then don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to don't miss any other tip, tricks or tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.